Long time no see. Today I'm gonna portion my vegetables because I realized I wasted a lot of vegetables because I couldn't finish them in time. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wash it, cut it, and freeze them. Not so much. I have radish, onion, green onion, and squash. Mostly I'm gonna use this for like different soups. Let's wash it real quick. While doing that, I'm gonna film for a short video. Yeah, so now you can see how I film. Yeah, I put another camera here, my phone. Let me wash it quick. So how you guys doing? I was doing bad and good, always like that. Yeah, I know like everyone has downtime. It's just like matter of how often you get down. Recently, I feel down too often. I think the reason why I'm down very often is I have my goal and the goal is too high. I feel like it's so far away. Maybe that's why. So I feel like, oh, there's so many things to do, I have to do. And then I feel like, oh, I don't even know where to start. So now I'm starting this, just do whatever I need to do for 5 minutes for now. It's amazingly, if I start something for 5 minutes, I really don't want to do. After 5 minutes, I saw that I kept doing it. So this is really important that just start something. You don't have to do like 2 hours, 3 hours. But if you just start for 5 minutes, you might do it for 2 hours, 3 hours. That's what I'm doing these days. Let's peel the radish. Where's peeler? Where's my peeler? I saw it. Ooh. It should be around here. Uh-oh. 어디 갔지? Oh, I'm so hungry, by the way. Yesterday I made, oh yeah, I found the peeler. And yesterday I made sushi at home. It was pretty good. Like I bought salmon for $9 and I made rice at home and I seasoned the rice and I used the ice tray to make the shape. It was so easy and it was really good. So I spent like $10 for like 14 pieces of salmon sushi. That was really good. Okay, let me peel it. Oh. And I'm gonna use meat cutter for the radish. I think it's gonna work very, very well. Oh, what happened to this? Yeah, the part is disattached. Oh. Let's cut my radish. Let's adjust the thickness first. I'm gonna do a little thicker than. Let me try. Oh, but why I'm doing this opposite way? Let me. 아이고. Oh, it's good. Okay, this is what I want. This thickness. Excuse me. Let's cut real quick. It's so easy. Oh, I think it's much better than just using a knife for this. The thing is that before I used to upload like 7 videos a week, so basically every day. And I was thinking, oh, maybe I want to reduce the posting to 4 times a week and increase my video quality. Oh, and at the end, you have to be careful your hands. It's really sharp. We don't want to cut our fingers. I think that was my mistake. Since then, I have more time to make videos. And so I uploaded 4 times a week. And then my views were staying the same or even less. I thought about the video quality and that makes me stop making videos because I have too much doubt in my head oh, maybe this is better, that one is better. I couldn't make videos. Maybe that's why I just played the game instead, and I didn't do anything. Just play the game. So I changed the plan again. Maybe I'm gonna just upload videos like 6 or 7 a week like before. And I don't even know how I increase my video quality. So just do it. Not just thinking, end up not doing anything. Stop thinking so deep for nothing. Now I'm gonna cut this into 4 pieces. Maybe just half. I think just half is okay. And I'm gonna put this in zipper bag. Unfortunately, I don't have the paper. I don't know how they call it, like paper thing. So I'm gonna use foil. I'm gonna put foil between radish so they're not gonna stick together after freeze. Okay, and put this in zipper bag. Zip bag. I'm doing this again because I want to get another angle for the short video. Okay, radish is done. Okay, next is green onion. I'm very hungry. I want to finish it as soon as possible and eat food. And I have to go to work soon. So just cut it. I'm gonna cut just like this. Just chop. Is that called chop? Yeah, chop it. And freeze it too. So I can use it for like anything. Soup, fried rice, or anything. Eat fresh vegetable is the best, the taste wise, overall. But as a person who living alone, it's not easy to eat fresh vegetables. So, and also I don't want to waste it anymore. So I'm gonna just freeze them. Okay. Oh, I spilled half of it. It's okay. I wipe the table before I start. It's okay. Yeah, make sure there's no air in there. And next, squash. Actually, I was gonna do that for onion too, but I changed mind. I'm too hungry and onions can be last long, so I will just leave it as it is. Okay, this. Like I usually cut in 4 pieces like this, but I'm lazy. I'm gonna just pack it like that. That's okay, right? I think this much I can put in soup or anything. Could be enough for one person. Oh, I feel like the bag is too small. No, it's too small. I got a bigger bag. Let's see. Oh no. It wasn't a good idea, maybe. Yeah, I'm gonna just push it in. That was a mistake. I don't need to do like this. Just put one portion in there. And then a paper or tin foil. Then put the rest, so they are not gonna stick together. Okay, so I did. I wanted to make it like so tidy, organized, like I saw on online, but I can't do it. Okay, I'm done. I'm done with this, and I'm gonna just freeze it. And then I'm gonna eat lunch real quick. I don't want to cook right now. I have 제육볶음 I made a couple days ago. Just microwave it and eat it with rice. Today I gotta go. Have a good day.